Russia's war is one of aggression, and it's based on lies. They were repeated again by Foreign Minister Lavrov at the Human Rights Council today in Geneva. You say you are acting in self-defense, but the whole world watched as you built up your troops over months in the preparation for this attack. You say Russia is to protect Russian speaking from aggression, but today the whole world is watching as you are bombing the homes of Russian-speaking Ukrainians in Kharkiv. You say Russia is sending peacekeepers, but your tanks are not carrying water. Your tanks are not carrying nutrition for babies. Your tanks are not carrying peace. Your tanks are carrying death and destruction. In fact, you are abusing your power as a permanent member of the Security Council. Mr. Lavrov, you can deceive yourself, but you won't deceive us. And you won't deceive our people, and you won't deceive your own people. Ladies and gentlemen, Russia's war marks a new reality. It requires each and every one of us to take a firm and responsible decision and to take